The Fenix E28R version 2.0 is a rechargeable EDC flashlight that is long awaited by EDC lovers. Powered by an included 3400 milliamp hour battery, this flashlight blasts a max output of 1700 lumens and a max beam distance of 273 meters. The USB Type-C charging port allows for fast and convenient charging. Being extremely compact for a convenient everyday carry, the light can be carried in your pocket or held in your hand effortlessly. Operation of the flashlight is exceptionally simple, with a single side switch controlling all functions. The unique warning light can alert others to your position and enhance safety. Additional features include a magnetic tail, a two-way body clip, and IP68 rated protection. Compact and tough built, the E28R version 2.0 is a great lighting tool for daily commuting, camping, and hiking. The flashlight is powered by an included ARB L18 3400 battery. Visit thefenixstore.com today and pick up your own E28R version 2.0.